See this, which devices can use logical addressing system? In order to use logical addressing system, it is applied at network layer. Therefore, a device which has network layer can only use logical addressing system. Otherwise, if it has only data link layer, it can use only physical addressing system. So look at this, hub actually works at physical layer. It does not even have data link layer. Therefore, it cannot use either physical addressing system or logical addressing system. It is not the one. It cannot use both physical as well as logical. What about switch? Switch has data link layer. Therefore, at data link layer, it can look at the physical addresses. Therefore, switch can look at physical addresses, which means it can use physical addressing, but definitely not logical addressing. What about bridge? Bridge also has data link layer. Therefore, bridge can look at physical addresses. So, bridge can use physical addressing, but definitely not logical addressing. What about router? Router can use both physical addressing as well as logical addressing. The reason is router has a network layer. Therefore, router is capable of using logical addresses as well as it can even look at the physical addresses also. So, it can look at both of them. Now, what is the network ID of the IP address? 230.100.123.70. It is classless because slash number is not given. Therefore, it is classful because slash number is not given. Since it is classful and 230 is given, it obviously belongs to class D network. And in class D, we don't have anything about network and host. Therefore, it doesn't have any network ID. Network ID is not possible. Right?